Let's make this yummy egg roll together. So if you've been trying to make this Nigerian egg roll and you are not getting it right, this particular recipe is everything you want. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using milk, egg, flour, yeast, nutmeg, salt, and butter. So this is all the recipes I'm using, all the ingredients I'm using rather. So first things first, I'm going to just put in all my liquid ingredients, my milk, my sugar, my yeast, my egg. I'm going to mix all of that up. Then I'm going to go ahead with my dry ingredients, nutmeg, salt, and flour. Then I'm going to mix it very well till it turns into a dough. But one thing I will always tell you is it is very, very important to sieve your flour. Every single time I buy my flour, I automatically just sieve it before even storing it at home. So this is something you can do in case you always forget to sieve your flour anytime you want to use it. So for this recipe, it's very easy. I've already put the ingredients and the quantity on the video, so you can just pause the video and screenshot that recipe so you can always have it. So for liquid, I used half cup and one and a half cup of liquid for this, and I did not use any form of water. Everything I used was milk because I want my egg roll to have that milky taste, unique taste. So that is exactly how I want my egg roll to taste. Yeah. So I went ahead to mix all of this. Then I kneaded it. I kept it for 15 minutes for it to rise. After it rised, I brought it back. I first of all punch into the dough to release all the air. Then I went ahead to flatten my dough, cut it into smaller parts, then flatten my dough, then put in the egg, then try to like roll it together. It is very, very easy to make. Then I'm going to be frying on low heat. Now one thing you want to note is that frying egg roll, you have to do it on low heat so that it will be fried to the middle. A lot of egg rolls that we buy out there, they are not fully fried. Most of them are always having this flour inside, like raw flour inside. I've bought a lot of egg roll out there that I always end up regretting. So because of that, making egg roll, you need to put your fire or your heat at the lowest possible so as to get the best and well cooked egg rolls. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. We want to have more of you here, so just give us a thumbs up and drop a comment. You can always drop a comment of your name and your location so we can give you a shout out on our next video. So thank you for watching. Toodles.